Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best enzymatic toothpaste is probably one of the most important things you can buy for your feline friend. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial for their overall health, and this video will help you navigate the world of enzymatic toothpaste. We'll explore the benefits of these specialized formulas, compare different brands, and help you choose the perfect one to keep your cat's teeth sparkling clean and their breath fresh. Number 5. Jasper Microbrush Cat and Dog Toothbrush Kit. This toothbrush is specifically designed for cats and small pets. It has a narrow head and tapered bristles, perfect for smaller teeth. The unique design makes cleaning your pet's teeth easier. The toothbrush uses extra soft DuPont nylon bristles. This ensures a gentle cleaning experience, minimizing any discomfort for your cat or dog. It's designed to be as comfortable as possible. With a soft grip handle and curved neck, it easily reaches your pet's side and back teeth. This design is perfect for cats, puppies, and small breeds. It makes brushing much more efficient. The soft grip handle provides a secure hold, even with restless animals. This feature helps you maintain control during brushing. It makes the process much easier. Keep the handle and replace the heads to reduce waste and save money. It's an environmentally friendly and cost-effective way to care for your pet's teeth. We recommend replacing the heads every 3 to 6 months. What we like. This toothbrush is specifically designed for cats, with an extra narrow head and soft bristles. It also features an ergonomic design for easy handling. If you have a cat that is new to teeth brushing, or if you are looking for a gentle and comfortable experience for your feline friend, you should consider this. What people say. Enzymatic toothpaste for cats is designed to help remove plaque and tartar buildup. The toothpaste is formulated with enzymes to help break down food particles and fight bad breath. This toothpaste is safe for cats and can be used daily as part of their oral hygiene routine. Number 4. Virbac C.E.T Enzymatic Toothpaste, Malt Flavor. This is the #1 recommended dental brand by veterinary professionals. It's made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. You can trust it for your pet's dental health. This toothpaste is specifically formulated with an enzyme system. It helps reduce plaque and freshen your pet's breath. It ensures a clean mouth for your furry friend. It's safe for pets to swallow because it includes no foaming agents. You can use it daily to maintain your pet's oral hygiene. Use it with a soft bristled toothbrush, like the C.E.T dual-ended toothbrush. Apply it daily or as directed by your veterinarian. Always follow your vet's advice. The malt flavor helps eliminate mouth odors. Pets love the taste, making it easier to maintain their dental health. It's a win-win for both you and your pet. What we like. This toothpaste is vet-recommended and formulated with enzymes to reduce plaque and freshen breath. It also comes in a tasty malt flavor that pets love. If you are looking for a trusted brand and want to ensure your cat enjoys the brushing experience, you should consider this. What people say. The enzymatic toothpaste effectively removes plaque and tartar buildup. The toothpaste has a palatable flavor that cats seem to enjoy. The product helps freshen breath and promotes good oral hygiene. Number 3. Jasper 360 Degrees Dog Toothbrush Kit. This innovative toothbrush features patented all-around silicone bristles. It cleans every surface of your dog's teeth at once. Owners often see whiter teeth and fresher breath within a week. Made with 100% food-grade silicone, this brush is incredibly gentle. It's perfect for puppies, seniors, and dogs with sensitive gums. It provides a deep clean without causing irritation or bleeding. The finger fit design gives you precise control. You can easily reach those hard-to-clean areas. This makes it the fastest and most effective way to care for your dog's teeth. The soft silicone feels natural and playful for your dog. Many owners report their dogs now willingly accept brushing. It transforms brushing time from a struggle into a calm routine. This 2-pack toothbrush kit can last 6 to 12 months with daily use. It's dishwasher safe and fully sterilizable. It's a cost-effective solution compared to disposable wipes. This versatile toothbrush is suitable for all breeds, from tiny to large. It's designed to provide effective dental care for both cats and dogs. The one-size-fits-all design ensures a secure fit on any finger. Just add a little water for the perfect fit. It stays in place during brushing, no matter your finger size. What we like. This toothbrush offers 360-degree cleaning with ultra-soft silicone bristles, ensuring thorough cleaning without irritation. It's designed to be easy to use and is often well tolerated by pets. If you like a quick and effective cleaning solution and want to make brushing time a breeze, you should consider this. What people say. Enzymatic Toothpaste for cats is designed to help remove plaque and tartar buildup, promoting good oral hygiene for your feline friend. The enzymatic formula helps to break down food particles and bacteria in the mouth, freshening breath and supporting healthy gums. The toothpaste is often flavored to be appealing to cats, making it easier to incorporate into their dental care routine. Number 2. Virbac C.E.T. Oral Hygiene Kit for Pets. This is a complete kit to start a program of regular oral hygiene for your pets. It includes everything you need to keep their teeth clean and healthy. With this kit, you can easily maintain your pet's oral health. The dual-sided toothbrush is designed for both large and small tooth surfaces. The long handle with a reverse angle makes it easy to use. The soft bristles ensure comfortable brushing for your pets. The finger brush slips over your finger, making it easy to use. This allows you to gently clean your pet's teeth and gums. It's a convenient way to introduce oral hygiene. The kit includes a poultry-flavored toothpaste that your pets will love. It helps remove plaque and tartar buildup. This makes the brushing experience more enjoyable for them. This kit is designed to remove plaque and tartar buildup. Regular use of this kit will help maintain your pet's oral health. It's a simple and effective way to care for their teeth. What we like. This kit provides a complete oral hygiene solution, including a dual-ended toothbrush and finger brush. It also comes with poultry-flavored toothpaste to entice your pet. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to start a regular oral hygiene routine, you should consider this. What people say. Enzymatic Toothpaste for cats is designed to help remove plaque and tartar buildup. The toothpaste contains enzymes that help to break down plaque and tartar. The product is specifically formulated for cats and is safe for them to ingest. Number 1. Arm & Hammer Complete Care Dog Dental Kit. Dental disease can cause daily pain and discomfort, but dogs are good at hiding it. Regular brushing helps reduce plaque and tartar, which cause dental issues and bad breath. This kit can help you with that. This kit includes a 2.5-ounce tuna-flavored toothpaste, a toothbrush with 2 sizes of brush heads, and a finger brush. It provides everything you need for convenient brushing. It makes taking care of your dog's teeth simple. The toothpaste is made with Arm & Hammer's signature baking soda. This helps to deodorize bad breath. It's a key ingredient for a fresh and clean mouth. This dental care kit freshens breath and helps control tartar. This helps prevent tooth decay and gum disease. It's designed to keep your dog's mouth healthy. The kit includes a dual-headed toothbrush and a finger toothbrush. The finger brush is easy to use. You can easily clean your dog's gums with it. The toothpaste is formulated with added calcium. Calcium is an essential building block for strong tooth enamel. It helps keep their teeth strong and healthy. What we like. This kit includes tuna-flavored toothpaste enhanced with baking soda and a dual-headed toothbrush. It also helps control tartar. If you are looking for a kit that freshens breath and helps prevent dental issues, you should consider this. What people say. The enzymatic toothpaste effectively removes plaque and tartar buildup. The toothpaste has a palatable flavor that cats seem to enjoy. The product helps freshen breath and promotes good oral hygiene. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.